The conversations we have here, it's been a good experience because we rarely have these conversations with anyone. So it's been nice to open up and address the situation.
I've definitely learned from the discussion we've had today. It's all, like Varys says, all about listening to people's opinions and not getting emotional about it. Just actually listening, taking in the information that's being said. And yeah, again, maybe that I need to not be so strong-headed and talk to people.
It's been nice to get a different view.
Yeah, and I've also learned things like coercive control. I didn't know what that was before we started this.
I haven't really heard gaslighting, didn't really know what it meant, or love bombing.
Spoke about toxic masculinity and actually the damaging aspects of it that we're seeing. And this message probably to the younger generation is how we can change it, and obviously change their view towards women, but change their view towards themselves and how they've been programmed is vital at the moment.
I think it's important because young people don't know how, say if it's their first relationship, they don't know how to act, and I think this has got us all talking, and we've actually learned things about each other and how to act in a relationship.
I think it's very important to, like Coach said in the discussion, not value women as just a piece of meat and actually value them as another human being. And
you want to get a better understanding of people, share opinions, even if you don't agree, and obviously a fresh campaign to work on, which is probably vital and well needed.